Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick thing on LED lights and some of the candescent bulbs that come with the 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Now it's always interesting that they put lots of energy and effort into LED lighting that looks so sharp in so many different areas of a car. You go in, okay, everything is illuminated with that kind of crisp white, almost bluish color. You can see up here it's done quite nicely. The glove box even has it. They've got them down in the footwell. It's hard to see down here, but there it is. And they even have lighting right down here in the side compartments. Look at this, where the handles are. It looks great. But what's funny is often these cars still do candescent bulbs in certain areas. For example, the trunk. That is that kind of yellowish hue. It's hard to see, of course, with the lighting. So what I'm doing today is I'm replacing some of these candescent bulbs with a beautiful LED. So how do you do that? Well, let me show you. First of all, this bulb is hot here, so I just pulled it out. So there's your, let me fix the focus here. So there's a candescent bulb. Okay, typical, boring, candescent, yellowish hue bulb. Now, where do I get these beautiful, bright lights from? Well, I got a little bag of them about 2 years ago, and I've been holding on to it. I used it for my BMW. They don't set off any errors. They're as cheap as could possibly be from eBay. You just gotta wait forever. I'll show you what it looked like on the other side here. So again, looks great. Open up the car, but look at that yellowish color. Imagine that at night. Okay, not cool. But we're gonna replace the bulb on this side, just like I did with the other. So it's always great to invest in one of these plastic tools. It's good to research where you start with these because you can break them quite easily. But I already knew, sorry I'm doing this with one hand, I already know from doing this that it's on this side where I push down and I pry open. There we go, look at that. So, it pops open like this. What's super easy about this one is it actually opens up like that. And then this part pops open like this. Look at that. Is that neat? Very accessible. So there we go. Now I'm just going to replace the bulb. Now I can tell you from experience that if you put it in the wrong way, it may not fit perfectly. Sometimes they need adjusting because they are kind of made in China and a universal fit. But that's it. We close it back up, click, and then get her back in her little home. Should be nice and easy, little fit here. And I did it without breaking any plastic. How's that, eh? And then look at that. Looks a lot better. Imagine at night. I mean, it's got that purplish hue. You can probably, I still have to do this one. You can probably pick if you want a 6000K or 8000K. That's kind of the reading that allows you to pick between a blue or a white hue. But there you go, you guys. I think it's a great investment to buy a lot of these little things for your car so that you know, it takes several months to come, but once you bought these little things and put them together, it's neat for this car, any car in the future as well. So don't forget to subscribe. Always putting out more videos.